Come make a Pakistani truck art piece with me. I started out by making my pattern in Photoshop and exporting 3 different layers for the under layer, the rows, and the leaves. Then I imported it into Cricut Design Space and I used my Cricut Joy to cut out all the shapes. I measured and smoothed out a metal sheet to work on and started laying out all my cutouts with the underlayer, the outline of the rows and the leaves. I pasted it with the E6000 glue so it's nice and secure. And then I used some decals that I had cut earlier. This is reflective vinyl to make the border. And then I started the embossing, which was a very long process. Traditionally, truck art is metal embossed and overlaid with vinyl. They do it all freehand. If you watch my other videos, I've shown the process of how it is done in the artisan workshops. They have multi-head embossing tools that they use with a hammer to make really straight lines. Unfortunately, I don't have those tools, so I'm just using the tip of a blunt pencil to make my embossing. Reflective vinyl gives it a really beautiful depth and saturation. Once I'm done with the outlines, I'm gonna start filling out the details. This is a multi-stripe vinyl that I made by layering different layers and different colors of the vinyl, and then I cut it into thin strips as thin as I needed it to make the outlines. I filled out and layered the different elements to make it look very nice. And here's the final look. I hope you enjoyed. Like and follow for more.